Let's do a problem on average velocity and average speed from graphs. So the question is a confused dragonfly flies forward and backwards in a straight line. So its motion is shown in the following graph of horizontal position x versus time t. So let's look at the graph. So here we can see the graph is on both plus side and minus side. Here we can see this is plus side, this is minus side. So this is the if we got the 0 here, for this side is plus, this side is minus. So this side is he is going to this side, and the minus side is going to this side. So we can see it flies 2 meters from there, and he comes back 2 meters, and after 4 seconds he flies 2 meters there and flies back 2 meters there. The total distance is, we can say, x equals 8 meters. So the total time it got is 8 seconds. So they are asking us the average speed. So average speed equals total distance travel divided by total time. So the total distance is 8 meters, the total time is 8 seconds. So the answer will be 1 m minus 1. So let's check the answer. Okay, the answer is right. This fraction says a hungry rabbit sprints towards a vegetable garden in a straight line. Its motion is shown in the following graph of the horizontal position x versus time t. So we can see a graph, and they are asking what is the average velocity of the rabbit between the times t equals 2 and t equals 12. So in this graph we can see the rabbit starting position is 0. So we can draw like this. We are starting from here, and first in this first 4 seconds it goes 2 meters. Let's the rabbit goes 2 meters in first 2 seconds, actually 4 seconds, and other 4 seconds up to 8 seconds the rabbit stays in there. So we can see here no motion. Okay, so after that in this graph we can see the rabbit again comes back to its original position. That means he comes back here. In first 4 seconds he goes 2 meters ahead, and other 4 seconds he stayed there, and last 4 seconds he comes back. So we can understand the question is what is the average velocity between time 2 and 12 now. So between time 2 and 12, so here is the in when time equals to the distance of the rabbit is 1 meter, and when time equals to L, the distance is 0, so that means he is in the original position. So the displacement is 1 meter, so we can understand the displacement is 1 meter, and the total time is what is the total time? The total time is 12 minus 2, that means 10. So t equals 10. The displacement is 1, so we know the average velocity is total displacement over total time. So displacement is 1, time is 10, so the answer is 0.1. M is minus 1. So they are talking about the velocity. So velocity is a vector, so when we choosing the answer, we have to consider about the direction. So we get actually from this sketch we can understand the displacement is minus 1. Actually the first position is here and the last position is here. We move actually this side, so the answer should be minus. So let's check the answer. Minus 1 ms. Yes, the answer is right. In this section, a cat sneaks up to an unsuspecting mouse. So the cat's motion is shown in the following graph of horizontal position x versus time t. So we can see the graph. They are asking what is the average speed of the cat between the times t equals 2 and t equals 6. So here are the answers. So we have to find out the average speed. So let's do this, and we can see when t equals 2 we have to find out the displacement. It is 2.5, and when t equals 6 the displacement is 1.5. The displacement actually reduces, so for the understanding, we are measuring the distance from here. First time the cat was here, and after that the cat moves to here. You can understand the first distance is, we can take it as 2.5 meters, and after 6 seconds he moves to 1.5 location. So actually we are measuring from here, that's why the measurements are like that. So cat is coming this way, but we are measuring in this way, so that's why the graph is reducing like this. Okay, so let's look at the section. They are asking the average speed, not the velocity. They are asking the speed. The distance it traveled is 2.5 minus 1.5, so 1 meter. The time it take was 6 minus 2, that was 4 seconds, and speed. Speed is distance over time. So 1 meter divided by 4 seconds. So answer is 0.25 ms minus 1. So let's check the answer. Yeah, the answer is right.